morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It's winding down and it's bittersweet. It's kind of like, I don't know if I guess it's music. I just have to stay focused because like going back home with just me, it's daunting, you know. So now it's just like this. I'm in this space where I don't know if, I don't know, it's just one of those things where just being really emotional. I miss the boys a lot. Yeah, so having my tea, this is tea though, this is a peppermint tea, the tea bag, so I'm telling about. I've been coughing. Oh, the reason why I'm sick is because when I'm telling you with my ear, I wash it out every time and then come back a morning time. So that because it wash at night time and I'm gonna make it dry, like ear dry, and I AC and a Jamaica I'm there with the AC in the on or nothing. So I figured that's what made me sick. Cause I'm like, there's no way the rain could have made me sick, because I wasn't in the rain. It just like a trickle, you see me, that I've been walking in. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit better. Just my nose just runny, my body is weak, I'm tired. Bro, it just doesn't rest. There's no sleep, and then I'm either recording or I'm recording and I'm not recording. For this recording I have to edit. And then now, because Kareem had showed me how to do my thumbnails differently, so now I'm like, I don't want to do my thumbnails unless I'm using that platform. So my thumbnails have been shit, but I'll be working on that though. God. That's a tree! Man, that's a tree! Come on, get rid of it! I am at the studio again. I have footage I need to transfer from this phone to my laptop. And oh shoot, with blood cleanse, look how much stuff on him phone. Holy fire. Okay, so I have two phones that I edit from, Zine. This one that I'm using, that I have from Jamaica, the Samsung, and then I use REEM's phone because it's the Apple and it's easier for me to transfer my files. Oh, I think I did. I don't have anything. Oh no, there's stuff for me. Wow, I have no footage. Okay, wow, that was a long ass break, and I've just been editing for the past. That was a long. I haven't recorded anything. That's a long ass break. So this is an update right now. Obviously, I took out my hair. You see the products I've been using in my hair, bitch. Let me tell you, snap. That yummy, it is it. I don't know how it performs in Jamaica, but here in Florida, it is it. The pink gel, it is it. I use two other products in my hair, two other natural products in my hair apart from those. So I'm only using 4 stuff in my hair, and 2 is for styling, 2 is for products. So every night, like before I go to my bed or in the mornings before I comb my hair, I always wash out the product out my hair. So every single day, water is going in my hair every single day, which is why I like when, you know, my hair breathes, because I get to do that. You see me? So I can already tell, excuse me, like the thickness of my hair. I'm like, yo, dog, your product slap, dog. You see me? Your product slap, brother. And just let a bit, you know, where to get them, and I'm on that. So yeah, so I'm leaning more into that. The nails I had on, my nails are completely destroyed. I can't see them. They're really destroyed. They're haggard. So I'm going back on mine. I'm going to clean them up, but I'm going back on my no nail thing for a couple months, probably 3 or some months, because I do have a project I'm working on. As I say, being here and just the work ethic here is absolutely crazy. And just as how they work hard, they party hard, but the work is hard. They're here every day, building beats, recording. Oh my God, bro, it's non-stop, bro. It's non-stop. And understanding like the music industry and the ins and outs, and just the different responsibilities for certain individuals. Having been here, I've already been approached Yeah, and boy, if my head never on my body, brother, if I never have REEM, that's the truth. If I never have, because he's the one I'm leaning mostly into, because this is his mecca. This is his playground. This, you heard what Trapland said, bro. If you're not recording with REEM himself, bro, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. That's where they are. Because I remember making that video with Trap. But when I see the video, we did make that video. Hold on. How I find? Just too far. Oh my gosh. Where is that? It's probably on this phone. It is probably on this phone. The angle? Oh, yeah. We're going to a Haitian restaurant. We're going to have Haitian food. I've never had Haitian food before in my life. This is all I've been wearing, boy clothes. My back hurt, man. Careful, bro. Smell like fall cook. You smell it? Like fall cook. So we got food at Alberta's. It is a Haitian restaurant in where? South Florida? Yeah. South Florida. So I got pork, jerk pork. It coming like this. And I got the yellow rice. And the meat is separate. Why them separate the meat? The meat mustn't touch rice in a Haitian.
I don't know.
I feel so confused.
Well, you just put it.
Okay.
They didn't want to sauce it up too much for you, you know, I guess. I guess that's how they do it, though. But I got grill. I got fried pork. So you
Grill.
got jerk pork. I got fried pork.
But jerk pork don't have stew. Don't have a sauce. Guys, I've never...
Haitian food.
Oh, Haitian.
You trying to buy it like it's Jamaican food?
Yeah, because it says jerk.
Okay, it's going to be the Haitian jerk.
This is not jerk. This is not jerk with smoke and one pan. This is clearly a pot with fire. Oh, man. It's just... Let me just get something down my throat first, sir. Jeez, I'm not even start breathe properly. I'm nervous, Kareem. I don't know. I guess everything coming down plus the songs too. I'm going to them now.
Okay, what I'm saying. So that's what you're saying about the music that we're using?
I don't know what I'm saying. This is something that's real. That's happening. I'm going. Pork is hella spicy, but not bad. Pork is hella spicy, but not bad.
Asian food, man.
Oh, them jerk it and then stew it down. That's weird. Cheers, good. Thank you.
Don't eat too much, man.
I know.
Eat enough so you Gucci, and then you can see how that should affect your body. And you just go back in later.
That's what I meant. I think that's what I meant.
You thought I meant?
Don't eat too much for myself, I forgot saying.
No, that too.
Because it is spicy, but it's just perfect. Like my tongue feels nice and cold till it feels good.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains, but now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall, and you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
I I used to tread light on a tightrope until I jumped free with my eyes closed. Every moment in life is like a slideshow, and I'm just pulling strings for the maestro. There's a question I'll ask you, who are you answer to? We all gotta take a course, life is an institute. If you wanna truly soar, nothing can limit you. A light in the dark room, ain't nobody dimming you. Yeah, I can't settle. Young brown boy, mama told me I was special. Learn to manage my risk, ain't no way to lose. Why you holding on to fear? You got a parachute.
Hi. Oh, hi. Hi, Papa. I miss you so much. I miss you so much. It smells stink. You know, bed from morning, I forgot bed. My bed smells stink. You bed this morning? Okay, can you carry this for me, please, Jonathan?
Yes, Mom.
Carry this for me. I miss you. Get so slim. Look on that big book there by your side.
I'm 8 years old.
Oh shit, you're 8. Oh, I forgot. You're 8, my baby.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I deleted it.
That's fine. That's what you wanted, right?
I got someone nice, which I don't like.
Really?
Name
Hi, mommy. Oh, go on. Oh, flipping much, baby. Yeah, you have to go. Come on, tell me so never go to school. All last.
Mommy,
Mama.
Yeah. So where's okay, sir?
See them here, I'm a hungry man. Everyone put it at the set there. Oh, see them in the room here.
That's what I want. I just want
The ice something?
Yeah, it's like, but what I actually want is Duff.
What you want?
Duff.
Jalil, if you ever make it dash. Oh my God, it's good to be home.
Yeah.
You hearing me?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Alright, so see?
You still can't hear me.
It's on my end. I don't know why.
Oh, I have so much cool pictures. I'm gonna look for a snack for Jonathan. I'm gonna check if I want the popcorn, but I have my dinner. I'm gonna eat last night. I'm gonna warm this up, just finish eat it and then share on top of it. I'm gonna share on top of it. Kind of enough. A little bit. I'm gonna share on top of it.
Wait, I can instant respawn. Instant respawn. No, don't. And then press it. Alright. I got to leave. I'm going back, yeah?
Alright.
Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Where's the medication? Come, Jonah. Mine and lick my phone. Mine and? Mine and? Mine your and? Now we do something. Wait now, wait now. It gives me to do something. I'm going to try to save your life. I'm trying to save your life, Jonathan. Hold on. No, wait, stop. Wait, let me do this first, then we'll start back. Come to me.
Not me.
No, come to me. Have yourself. Excuse Jalil. So, get up already?
Mommy, Mommy want to fight together?
Before what? Go for the tissue. Fight together, not yet. Mama, go look for Jonathan breakfast first, and then come back and then we can fight together. My phone, John. What?
Mom, this is a new friend of mine. This is a new friend of mine.
Oh, I love what she's wearing. Don't change it.
Wait, but
I want to see what she wears. That's so cool.
But look.
Bro, I would wear that clothes, you know. Wait, not Jaleel.
This is what to cover.
I love that. I love what she's wearing. I love her clothes so much. Not yet. Come, we're going outside. Turn off the fan, please. Jonathan, what you say I want to eat again? Oh, bread, egg, and splash. What? But I tell her that was so fat, you know, Jaleel.
Yes, Mommy called me.
No, I didn't call you, but I want to kiss you.
Quit the pan on my slow-mo. You didn't even scrape a knee. Oh, good. Just the kind.
No, I hate what she's wearing too. I love what she's wearing. That's really nice. That's really nice. Yo, that'll be such. That's cool. That's cool. This is free fire?
Let's warm up. Speak louder. I want to know all your secrets.
Can you do that too? Alright, Mom, I'm going to choose a girl tractor. I hope you're happy.
I am. Headshot, dead. Scared. Victory.
First kill. Ow. When I squeeze me out to my chin, I'm rolling. Lord, tell me why don't you squeeze me out. Tell me, Lord. Tell me.
Kill him, blood cleanse.
Mommy, I put the nuts in garbage.
Jonathan, whenever they start shoot from where you're there.
Mommy, I put the nuts in garbage.
Okay, Papa. Where are those?
Here.
Shit. Osh.
No,
Yeah. Osh. Man, I drop on my phone and look, boy. Ma? Ease up. Hey, princess. I have to go wash my hand, okay? I gotta wash my hand and take off my shirt, okay, princess? I soon come. I come in, princess. Hey, baby. Hey, I soon come. As princess, I know. I come in. Look how wet. I just changed my shirt a while ago, okay? I just going to run in the room, dry off my face and my hand, okay? Real quick, I promise. Okay, princess? I come in. I don't have to cry. I'm right here. I'm going for my towel. I have my towel now. I'm coming back. See me here? No, I came back. Baby. I'm here now, okay? I'm going to put this something on me so I can lift you up, okay, baby? I can't afford for it to get sick, okay, princess? I'm coming.
My girl. Go.
All superheroes have costumes, pads, fake muscles, tons of useless buckles.
Underwear on the outside, masks.
Say this until you're gone.
Don't say that.
But I'm just happy.
Smile, Jaleel. Please smile. Jaleel, smile now. Jesus Christ. What happened? What hit? Are you okay? What happened? Tell me now. Oh, is it this it break? Your back hurt you. Come to me. Where? All right, Papa. Gosh. See. You okay? It fixed?
I'm not trying to put this
Oh no,
side.
this up. Yeah, Jeremy can fix it when you go over.
Wait, but in this.
No, this need for going. Look, you see this? It need for going. So my foot take it out back. It put in wrong in the first place. It now go sink out. Oh shit! It broke. It broke.
Like broke off?
Yeah, it broke off.
I can help.
No, it break off. So this will stay up here so and then this go down. So not so.
It's 6. I'm can't walk. No. It can't. Stop saying those stuff. It will? It going?
I think so. Yeah.
You are just the best mom.
Oh!
You're the best mom. Only you could do that.
That's not true. I don't know if it do good, but I think it. I don't know if it do good though.
You're the best mom. You're the best mama. Mommy, come to
Not yet. I watch Jonathan. I watching Jonathan. Come on, number what?
I need to.
Yeah, we. Alright, don't tell me which one I need.
Wow.
In there! In there! Whoa! In there! Oh, sorry. Oh, you're the blue one, right?
You're the blue one.
Jalila!
You were super cold again.
Wait, no, John, I'm gonna watch Jonathan. The game don't start yet. I can't keep it till the game starts. Stop going so. But when the game starts, I'm going to give my attention to Jonathan.
No tickling.
Wait, so stop. But I'm going to say don't get a tickle. Yeah, bite me. Yeah, but yeah, bite me.
No tickling. No. Ayah, Daddy, let that mommy.
German o'clock, 1 o'clock. You get it? You get it? Clone balls. Oh,
I
clone
don't have
balls.
that power.
Get. Stop. Wait, no.
Alright, Mom, I'm going to show you who's the king of this film and stop being up my little brother and little man.
Alright, we start, Jelly, we start. Stop. Oh, come. Shit, mine. Shit, good job. Good job. Over, Jana. Shoot. It's you. Oh, good. Stop. I say I'm watching him now. Stop.
I scored on next
Good
ball.
job, Papa. In there, easy, no blouse and skirt. It's my boy. It's my damn boy. Monkey. Damn! Wine freeze you. Oh, good job. In there, fool.
In the fool.
4-0 under your skin, punk.
5
5-0 under your skin.
King. Ooh.
6-0. Eh, The Lord made the world in 6 days, rested on the 7th. You, 7. Thank you, Jesus. It is 7-0, you idiot player against my son. You are a peasant in the presence of a king. You are me blood cleansing score 1 goal. Don't you make that peasant score a goal?
Well, freeze the ball, say no score.
He might go score.
Who ordered that?
Hey, stop now. Watch Jonathan say.
Who ordered
Goal 8-1. Stop. Match done. 8-1.